Hey guys, Kyle Kelly from the entire team at Kellysport, and I want to walk you through a problem that we have professionally, that we get commonly, and honestly, in my particular boat, that I get personal. How do I keep the beautiful Tritoon looking great, but making the pontoons keep and stay perfect? Well, the answer to that is, as they sit right now, you can't. Everyone, myself included, even if you're super particular, you're going to be susceptible to the nicks and dents, or the bumper comes off and rubbing on here and marring up the tunes. But we have a solution for you. Vantage Guard can be installed from the team at Kellysport. All makes, all models, new boats, used boats like I have here, it doesn't matter. We can install, and I'll show you a perfect solution on my boat that's going to cover up these unsightly marks and add a beautiful design to your new boat. So guys, we've teamed up with the team at Vantage to help protect from those unsightly marks that always take place. This is available for all makes, all models, doesn't matter if you bought it new or used, and size, it really doesn't matter. And here's the beauty of it, guys. Specifically with the Bennington product, I strongly recommend it on every new boat. We can color match it literally exactly to the exact same paint code that you have, so you can customize it with either a single or multiple colors for the exact perfect match for your particular boat. The product itself comes all the way down to the waterline. That gives you a nice, beautiful, in my opinion, better look, but also a functional protection for your entire investment. So you're looking prettier longer down on the Lake of the Ozarks. So guys, this is going to mean to you the exact same thing it is to me. Whenever I pull up to Coconut to the water park on Tuesday, one, I'm not going to have to be overly concerned about where exactly I put the fenders. Number two, the boat's just going to look a lot better. And every single time I pull up to, say, the bar or restaurant, or I'm coming down and cleaning the boat, I'm not looking at those unsightly little marks. I'm looking at a clean, good look, finished, better looking product than what we started with. So again, if you have a pontoon boat, I don't care what year, make, model it is, or what condition it is, give us a shout, guys. We would love the opportunity to install this on your boat, either while it's in for service at Kellysport, as a brand new boat is coming in for delivery, or come to your dock and just put it on down there like we're doing on my boat down here. Whatever else it is, guys, we would strongly recommend, from a look and a functionality standpoint, the Vantage Guard from the team at 3M, from Kellysport. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. Kyle Kelly and the entire team at Kelly's, thanks for your time.